Every child is unique. Some children speak early, some take time. Some love social interaction, while others stay quiet. But when is this a normal developmental difference? And when could it be a sign of autism? In this video, we will clearly explain the difference between autism and non-autistic development in children, in a calm, simple, and judgment-free way. What is autism? Autism, also known as autism spectrum disorder or ASD, is not a disease. It is a neurodevelopmental condition, which means the brain develops differently. Autism is called a spectrum because every child with autism is different. Some may have mild challenges, while others may need more support. Most importantly, autism is not caused by bad parenting. It is not anyone's fault. How a non-autistic child generally develops: a typically developing child usually shows these signs over time. Makes eye contact naturally. Responds when their name is called. Uses gestures like pointing, waving, or clapping. Shows interest in parents and other children. Engages in pretend play, like talking on a toy phone. Learns new words gradually. Expresses emotions such as happiness, anger, or excitement. Every child develops at their own pace, but progress continues steadily. Common signs of autism in children. Autism signs may appear early, often before the age of 3. Some common signs include limited or no eye contact, not responding consistently to their name, delayed speech or no speech, repetitive movements like hand flapping or rocking, strong attachment to routines, sensitivity to loud sounds, lights, or textures, difficulty understanding or expressing emotions, limited interest in social interaction. One important reminder: one sign alone does not mean autism, but multiple signs appearing consistently may require professional evaluation. Autism vs no autism simple comparison. Non-autistic child, social connection develops naturally, communication improves with time, adjusts easily to change, enjoys interactive and imaginative play. Autistic child, social cues may be difficult to understand, communication may be delayed or different, strong preference for routines, sensory sensitivities may be present. Both children are equally valuable, equally capable, and equally deserving of love and respect. What autism is not? Autism is not a mental illness caused by vaccines, caused only by screen time, something that needs to be fixed. Autism is simply a different way of experiencing and understanding the world. Early identification and support can make a big difference. With the right therapies and guidance, communication skills can improve, social understanding can grow, confidence and independence can increase. Early support is not about changing the child, it's about helping the child thrive. Message to parents: if you ever feel unsure about your child's development, trust your instincts. Seeking help is not a failure, it is an act of love. Every child learns differently, every child grows differently, and every child deserves patience, understanding, and support. If this video helped you understand autism better, please like, share, and subscribe. Your awareness might help another parent feel less alone on their journey.